Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Commission press room.
You know what I'm gonna ask. So, first of all, I would like to know your comments, the President's comments on what happened yesterday in Catalonia. Whether you are still considering that there is no role for the Commission to intervene.
Under the Spanish Constitution, yesterday's vote in Catalonia was not legal.
You are then condemning, presumably, any moves by the Catalan Parliament today to make a universal declaration of independence.
Same thing here. I will not comment on any other people's comments and positions. I speak for the European Commission and I stay with what I just said. James.
And are you doing your best to ignore this problem? And there are a lot of people in Catalonia who are looking to the European Union to provide some kind of moral leadership. Are those people just misguided?
Pourquoi est-ce que l'appel au dialogue ne pouvait pas, ou n'avez pas souhaité le lancer?
Vous vous alignez avec le gouvernement espagnol.
Is the Commission College going to discuss the Catalan issue tomorrow?
Vous êtes en train de dilapider un petit peu le peu de capital de sympathie qui vous reste dans l'opinion publique européenne.
Do you think that the action of the police were proportionate?
I will not engage in this sort of judgment.
I have something to say to those more than 800 people injured yesterday by the Spanish police.
I would like to know why the Commission has not monitored the respect of freedom of expression in Catalonia.
Vous affirmez dans votre communiqué que la Catalogne, si elle déclare son indépendance, sera en dehors de l'Union européenne. Sur quel texte juridique tu te bases pour dire ça? Is the Commission here actually condemning or not condemning the tactics used and the methods used by the Guardia Civil in Catalonia
to aggress, injure, almost kill 800 people that are going to vote?
Thank you for your statements. Yes, please.